In summary, today we talked about heredity. Okay, so what is heredity? Heredity is the process whereby certain characteristics or traits are passed from parents to their offsprings. Okay, so we can inherit brown hair from our parents, blue eyes from our parents. Okay, so when we say a trait, we are talking about a characteristic inherited from parents. Now, the traits are inherited when genes are received from the parent. A gene is just a small section of a DNA molecule. A gene is just a small section of a DNA molecule. So when you take the complex double helix called a DNA, a gene is just a small section that determines a characteristic. A DNA is the molecule which contains genes. So DNA is just double-stranded, made up of several genes. Okay, so DNA is double-stranded and wound into a double helix. Now, this DNA, stacks of DNA will form a chromosome. Chromosomes are X-shaped structures in the molecules. They have arms made up of stacks of DNA. So the chromosome looks like this, X. It is made up of several of these that have been coiled. Okay, that have been compressed to form the X shape. Rosalind Franklin made X-ray diffraction images of DNA. So she started everything. And then Crick and Watson worked out the structure of DNA and stated that the double strands are held together by base pairs. And then we found out that the bases are A, which always pairs with a T, C, which always pairs with a G. So if you see T here, the other side will be an A. If you see G here, the other side on the other strand will be a C. This brings us to the end of our lesson on heredity.